Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today was my IBPS clerk prelims examination and my exam was in second shift on 19th of December. So in this video I'm gonna give you an analysis of the exam and I will tell you about the level also plus I will tell you about my attempts also. Okay. Before starting the video, I would like to inform you that Guidely is providing all the mock tests plus all the PDFs at one subscription. If you take one subscription, then you will get PDF of the upcoming mains examination, and the PDFs contains daily practice questions. So you will get daily practice questions for your mains examinations and you can prepare very well from that. Okay, and it will be available at one subscription. So the link for that will be given in the description. Plus for the upcoming mains examination, current affairs is very important, and for current affairs I am using Affairs Cloud, as Affairs Cloud is the best source. So for Affairs Cloud also you can use my code and get 10% discount. Now I'm gonna move to the sections. So first of all there was English, and in English the level was easy. Okay, I have attempted 30 questions in English. Then there was quants. So in quants the level was little moderate. I found the arithmetic questions little on the upper side, and there was one DI which had some missing terms. Okay, so some data was missing in that DI, and बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जिन्होंने वो क्वेश्चन छोड़ ही दिया होगा क्योंकि इसमें वो डाटा दिया ही नहीं था, लेकिन जब हम क्वेश्चन सोल्व करने चल रहे थे तो बिना उस डाटा के क्वेश्चन सोल्व हो रहे थे और एक क्वेश्चन में उनका डाटा भी दिया था, तो वो थोड़ा सा पैनिक क्रिएट कर रही थी वो DI, क्योंकि एक तो केसलेट है और ऊपर से उसका डाटा ही पूरा फिल नहीं हो रहा. So for quant, I have attempted 29 questions in quant. Okay, the level was little moderate than yesterday in quants. In English it was easy and in reasoning it was easy. So I have attempted 35 questions in reasoning and my total attempts are 94. Now it will depend on accuracy, and I think the cutoff will be like much higher than last year because the level of examination is easy, and when we compare it with SBI clerk also, then the cutoff will be higher. Okay, so now let's see what will be the scene. But right now we should prepare for the mains examinations, as there are 3 upcoming mains examination. So if you are not able to perform well in the IBPS clerk prelims examination, and if you are not confident about SBI PO and IBPS PO, then I'm gonna make a separate video for how you can start your preparation from the beginning. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.